Hello guys, today we will talk about how to create these trailers and videos like this. As I promised, I will post this video today and let's begin. I have opened here everything. Firstly, if you are looking for the ideas, of course you go for the ChatGPT, for example, like what do you like, what do you love, what do you want to make. But as long as we make something like this, I will turn on anything from here. Let's see. So you got the point, right? So firstly, I always go to the mid journey. Uh, I'm not doing like some complex prompts or prompt engineering or something like that. I just write down prompts with my own words. And for example, I did the last like backstage shooting with the Kakashi actor right here. And let's do something like Kakashi Hatake as real person. And we have this is the Mid Journey actually. I should talk about that. I This is the model for the pictures. It makes the best pictures for videos like this, videos like I am doing plans. I'll show you the subscriptions. Right now I have this one, but they also have like $10 plan, also $30. I'm using this one, $60 and the 120. I never used these two because $30 plan is like more than enough for me. So let's dive into the this Kakashi Hatake as a real person. Let's hit this, generate, and we got close-up shots. We're getting close-up shots, right? Let's let's add like full body shot, cinema, something like this. And let's see what we will get. Okay, nice. Let's try someone else like Kakashi Hatake. We have Kakashi Hatake. Let's say Itachi Uchiha. Everybody loves Itachi, I guess. And here it is, my friends. Here it is, and you should generate like many pictures of these guys and choose one of them. Like, let's choose randomly like one of these. I don't know which one you guys like. I was trying Tsunade here, but it did not go that well. Let's try this one. She looks more like the Ino than Tsunade, but then this is for the shorts. I'll go to the Grok.com. This is the AI for from the Elon Musk from the Twitter, aka X. I will put this image here. Even without the prompt, you can put the prompt here. Even without the prompt, you guys see like, let's see how it works. And about the pricing, actually, I just have the verified account on the X. I pay like $5 per month, and I kinda am using this Grok like unlimited-ish because like this is horrible. But if you want like prompts, you should can write down the prompt something like I don't know. She stares at camera, camera on right. right side. And this is gonna be, let's wait for this. And this is how you can do like the backstage things and like the movie backstage for any animation movie backstage. People are curious about the animation backstages and things like that. You just generate picture and put it here. Like I had the past ones, I have everything here. You guys can like check this out. And I am trying a couple of versions and I'm choosing the best ones for it. Let's dive now right into the trailer thing. For the trailer thing here at Midjourney, I am going to change first of all size of the picture, and we go to the landscape, and YouTube size is 16 to 9. I will go, for example, like Itachi Uchiha in live action movie, 4K, full body, cinema, something like. Let's write something like that. I don't want to use like professional prompts or like super crazy prompts. I want to show you guys like simple versions. Okay, for example, we have this one. Itachi looks right into the camera. We downloaded this picture and I will upload this picture here right now and wait. If you want to use like some specific prompt, yeah, go ahead. Like you can try like anything you want. But I am showing you like simplest ways, but it's your brain, your imaginations, like do whatever you want. AI is just a tool. You need your brain, you need your imagination right now. I might use this scene, right? I'll download this scene. And for the trailer, for example, I have like couple of scenes, right? I need the music. And searching on the YouTube like no copyright music is not gonna help because you will eventually get the copyright. You should create some. This is the music creator AI. It's suno.com. And you create any kind of AI, right? AI, mean the music or the sound here. I created these ones for the trailers, for example, like, and the styles. We don't need the lyrics, we don't put the lyrics. Let's put music, teaser, violin, horns, trailer, let's say epic, and cinematic. Tutorial. Let's make name the tutorial and generate. It will start generating like two versions of it. And you can check this out. This is gonna be like perfect for your video. And I'll show you like simplest way. If you're not editor and you don't have the editing softwares, you maybe are working from the mobile phone, it's okay. You just go to the CapCut. It's the easiest thing, guys. Like you can definitely do it. Like I even did the videos right here to prove it's doable on the CapCut. Uh, let's download this sound. If it's generated fully, we can actually download it. It's not fully generated. We should wait a little bit. Yeah, we can download it and go to the CapCut. On the CapCut, I will put this sound here, and I will also put like the video we generated. If you want the voiceovers, for the voiceovers, I will make a separate video. Like, let me know in the comments if you want to get the voiceovers and clone your voices, clone maybe the like Madara Uchiha's voice or clone the Pain's voice, like it's a whole different thing. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'll show uh, I'll show you this one. It didn't upload. Hell. Firstly, we put this video here on the full size. We put the music here. We mute this video's music because like Grok has the sound effect as well. Let's put some other pictures as well if I mean the videos if we have. I want to show you some. Okay, let's see like let's say like this three is gonna be enough for the experiment. And now remember guys, we did first frames and the mid journey, the pictures. We did the animation on the Grok, music on the Suno, and on the CapCut, you make the mix of it, and you will get something like this. You got the point, right? Like it's your imagination and it's your thing to do. Like whatever you imagine, these tools will help you out. These tools will be the best to help you out. And I wish you all the best, wish you all the luck. Thank you guys so much for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.